It's December 3rd, and we're going to have a Christmas time barbecue today. After the barbecue, we're going to go inside and decorate the tree. But in the meantime, we're going to have some salad and New York steak, baked potato, and a glass of Zinfandel wine. It's kind of a rare day today. It's actually really nice out here. It doesn't feel like December at all. We've got these steaks on the barbecue going right now, and they already smell delicious. Salad and wine waiting. Sourdough bread, pioneer sourdough, and wine. Good seasoned dressing. This is so good we must be sinning.
At Christmas? No such thing.
This is living.
That's nice.
Yeah, we must have done something right.
This is a great way to have a middle of the day.
3 o'clock. How's that steak?
It is so tender and it is so good. I'm sure you can cut it with a butter knife. And nothing complements it better than this. Look, it's almost gone.
Well, our terrific lunch is over.
All gone.
And now we've got a great idea. We're going to roast some chestnuts just to see if chestnuts are really great roasted on an open fire.
Never done this before. Don't know what we're up to.
But instead of an open fire, we're going to use the remaining charcoal